Hello students, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson 10, Measurement. Students, let's continue. Worksheet question number 6. Convert the temperature into the other scale. That means if it is given in degrees centigrade, you have to convert it into degrees Fahrenheit, and if it is degrees Fahrenheit, convert it to degrees centigrade. First one, the day Raja landed in Shimla, the temperature was 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it is given Fahrenheit, so what am I supposed to do? Yes, I am supposed to convert it into centigrade. So C is equal to, I hope everybody knows the formula, F minus 32 in brackets into 5 upon 9. Now F is 41. 41 minus 32 into 5 upon 9. 41 minus 32 is 9 into 5 upon 9. Now 9 and 9 will get cancelled. So my answer is 5 degrees centigrade. So 41 degrees Fahrenheit is 5 degrees centigrade. Next one. When the temperature went above 45 degrees centigrade, I switched on the cooler, means it became very hot. So now it is given centigrade, I will convert it to Fahrenheit. So F is equal to the formula C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. So C is 45 into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Now I can cut 5 9s are 45, 9 9s are 81 plus 32. 2 plus 1, 3, the units place, 8 plus 3, 11. So my answer is 1113 degrees Fahrenheit. I went outdoor skating at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. 32 degrees Fahrenheit, as it is, we know that it is equal to 0 degrees centigrade, but yet we will work it out. So C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 upon 9. F is 32. 32 minus 32 into 5 upon 9. This becomes 0 into 5 upon 9. So it becomes 0 degrees centigrade. 32 degrees Fahrenheit and 0 degrees centigrade are the freezing point of water also. The fourth one, the temperature on the sun's surface is 6000 degrees centigrade. Oh my god, a big number. But now I have to convert it into Fahrenheit. So my Fahrenheit formula is C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Now C is 6000 into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Now I can cut this. 5 12s are 60 and the 2 zeros. Okay, now 12,200 into 9. I put the 2 zeros and 9 12s are 108 plus 32. So it will become 10832 degrees Fahrenheit. Big numbers, but okay, it was easy. The fifth one, the temperature in June goes up to 46 degrees centigrade. So now again we have to convert it to Fahrenheit. F is equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Now 46 into 9 upon 5 plus 32. Now it doesn't cut in the table, so what will I do? I'll multiply 46 by 9 and divide by 5. So first in my rough work, 46 into 9. 9 6 are 54, carry 5, 9 4s are 36 plus 5, 41. So it will become 414 upon 5 plus 32. Now 414 I will divide it by 5. 5 8s are 40. I get the 1 and bring the 4 down. 5 2s are 10. Bring 4 down. I'll put a decimal point and I will add a 0. 5 8s are 40. So it is 82.8 plus 32. Now when there is a decimal point here, this means there is a decimal point and 0. So it will be 0.8 will remain as it is. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 8 plus 3 is 11. So 114.8 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's do the last question of the worksheet and of the lesson. Now tick the correct answer. Boiling point of water on Fahrenheit scale. Boiling point of water in Celsius scale is 100 degrees. On Fahrenheit scale is what? 100 degrees, 112 degrees, 212 degrees or 32 degrees? It is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay. Now 158 degrees Fahrenheit is how many degrees centigrade? Now I want to convert it. So what do I do? Yes, I will write my formula in my rough work. I want to convert it into centigrade scale. So C is equal to F minus 32 into 5 upon 9. So what is it? My 158 minus 32 into 5 upon 9. 158 minus 32, 8 minus 2, 6, 5 minus 3, 2, 1. 126 into 5 upon 9. Okay. Now can anything be cut? No. So what do I do? I can try to do it with 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12 and 3 2s are 6. Okay. Now 3 can I go cut in the table of 42? Yes. 3 1s are 3 and it becomes 12. 3 4s are 14 and 5 into, that means I have to multiply 5 into 14. 5 into 14 is 70 degrees. So 158 degrees is 80, 75, 70 or 85? 70. So I'll write 70 degrees centigrade. Next, again 50 degrees centigrade is how many degrees Fahrenheit? Now again I will do it in my rough work. What is the formula? F is equal to C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. So what is my C given as? 50 into 9 upon 5 plus 32. I can cut. Yes. So 10 9s are 90 plus 32. 9 plus 3, 11. So 112, 132, 122, 140, 140, 9, 10, 11, 12, 120. Sorry, I made a mistake. 9 plus 3 is 12. So it is 122 degrees. So it is 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, the scales of the temperature are named after instruments, scientists, places, or none of this. They are named after scientists. Fahrenheit and Celsius were names of scientists. Instrument used to measure the temperature is protractor, stethoscope, thermometer, or none of this. We know this. It is thermometer.